today we're going to be working on two-step equations, which are like one-step equations except with another step before we find x. A big reminder for today though, everything you do on one side of the equation you have to do on the other side, otherwise your equation is unbalanced. And then we're not going to have the correct answer. The first problem we're starting with is this. 2x plus 3 equals 0. So last time we were doing one-step equations, we did addition or subtraction first to find what x was. What do you think we're going to do first for our two-step equations?
We're going to do addition and subtraction.
Way to go. That is the correct answer. So you're going to subtract 3 from both sides. And remember, like we did last time, we're going to write out subtracting 3 from both sides on each side. So when we're going back to check our work, we can see that we did that, so we don't forget any steps. Okay, so last time when we were doing one-step equations, we were done after this step, right? But here, you can see that there's another number in front of x. What do you think we should do now to get x all by itself? Asha.
Multiplication or division.
Perfect. So in this case, what do you think we're going to do?
Divide.
Perfect. Great job. So we're going to divide from both sides. And then we have solved for x, which is negative 3 over 2. Perfect. So we're going to go over the steps one more time. So addition or subtraction, and then multiplication or division. If we're using a whole number, which is a number like 2, 3, anything that's not a fraction or a decimal, then we do division. If we have a fraction or a decimal, we do multiplication because that's easier for us. So here's our second problem. Okay, so who thinks they know what to do first? Yuji.
Do we do subtraction or addition?
Great. What do you think we're going to do here since we already have a minus sign on this side of the equation?
Well, then we should add 4 to both sides.
Great. Do you think you know what we do second? We have 1/2 x equals 7 now.
Then we're going to multiply by 2.
Perfect. So, now we have found x with our 2 steps. Great job, guys, for noticing we're supposed to use multiplication or division. And at the beginning, great job trying to figure out if we had addition or subtraction there. Asha, you haven't answered in a while.
Well, if there's a minus sign, we want to do the opposite, right? So
Exactly.
should we add one?
Perfect. Who else thinks they know what we're going to do next? Yes.
Since it's a fraction, you multiply by 3.
Multiply by 3, but then we also have 4 there. So what do we want to do after that?
So then, in the next step, you would divide by 4.
That would be true. However, we're trying to do this in 2 steps only. So Yuchi seems like she has an answer. Great try though.
Well, since you want to multiply by 3 and divide by 4 at the same time, you can just multiply by 3 over 4.
Perfect. So when we have a mixed number or a fraction with 2 different numbers in it, we want to multiply both sides by the fraction upside down. And so we want to get x alone now. Gotta subtract and add on both sides. X is almost alone now. All we need to do is multiply or divide.